How to scan QR code on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna look up for an easy method on how we can scan QR code using our phone. So let's begin with the video, but before beginning I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, there are different ways on how you can scan QR code. All of them are very easy. So one of them is just scroll down your notification bar. After scrolling down, you should be able to find a QR code scanner onto your device. It also varies from phone to phone. Right now here you can see on my device, you can see this option called scan QR code automatically on your device. If you can't find that QR code scanner on your notifications, you may also use the camera app onto your device. You may just open your camera app. After opening your camera app, you should just place your camera on the QR code and it will automatically detect the QR code. And the very last thing is you may just download a QR scanner into your device. If you don't have it, you may just go to Play Store and search for a QR scanner, any of you may like. So just type QR code scanner and download any of the application onto your device. After that, just use the scanner to scan the QR code. Just like that, by these methods you can scan QR code onto your Android device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.